Coming back on this explosive video that I'm going to do, and it's going to be covering this platform in space, and it's basically codenamed Proteus. And what I want to do is explain how Proteus works a little bit. And Proteus can be referred to as either people think it's either Nibiru, which is on the other side of the sun, but this is a secret platform, a quantum platform, codenamed Proteus. It's a quasi-neural matrix system, folks. I'm going to get into how it works. And there are two types of orbs, folks, that come out from Proteus. Orbs basically are organic or inorganic. This is actually an extraterrestrial orb, and I'm going to go into how it works. Basically, for this to work, this basically transharmonic orb body has to come out. And in order for that to come out, basically there is a what we call in the Merkava, your body, there's what we call a rod staff correction principle, and is required for this to work. And if people don't understand a little bit how that works, I'll put it into layman's terms just a little bit. Women have what we call an aquamarine 13 gate within the Merkava. It's in your, basically, men have what we call it's called a diamond sun, which is referred to our crystal body. And within this double diamond sun body is where our Stargate is at. Okay, it needs to be activated. And these pulsar light codes, gamma pulse codes that are coming down from Proteus basically work as follows. And I'm going to get into how it works a little bit. But basically, in order for this process to work, your double diamond sun body contains all the codes. And basically, this transconfiguration will occur within this process. And within the transconfiguration process within your soul, or we call your double diamond sun body, has your physical body and your auric field. And what happens, folks, I'm going to put it into the easiest terms I can on how they capture your soul through this orb. This orb and everything, basically, for this harmonic body to be activated through this process, the physical body has to dematerialize. Okay, it has to dematerialize, and what happens is, through the dematerialization process, the mass of your physical body has to be reduced to the center body core. Okay, and what that means is the center body core, the mass of your body, will be pulled directly into the core of your Merkava, right into the core, okay, into the center. And it's sort of shrunk down a little bit, but it goes into the core of your Merkava. And this is your inner soul, what I was talking about, the diamond part of your soul and everything. And what it does is it folds in at a 45-degree angle. This is your physical body going into dematerializing, folks. It dematerializes, goes in at a 45-degree angle, and it has basically a spin to it. The orb is spinning. And when the orb is spinning, the orb has a field, and it spins at 360 degrees. This is the orb field. And what it does is, when it spins 360 degrees, it produces what we call zero-point energy. And this zero-point energy is needed for the transharmonic orb body to convert and dematerialize into an aura, where it can be sent to a Stargate or wherever it's going to be going in its destination. This is the easiest way I can explain to you, but this is a magical orb. Your soul is transferred through this system. This is Proteus, folks. This is the real deal. And this is basically, a lot of these orbs and everything are plasma. They call the plasma crystal organic communication orbs. This is similar to what's going on, but this is called Proteus. And this is the orbs that you will be seeing that have been coming down that have been taking people's souls, sampling DNA, doing all kinds of weird shit to us and everything. But this is really the real deal. It's kind of sad and sick, but this is how your DNA and basically your soul is uploaded. They have protocols for different ones, but this is basically using gamma pulse light activation codes. Some use alpha gamma pulse activation codes, pulsar pulsar light activation codes. But their protocols, these orbs that I'm talking about now from Proteus come down. There are two types, like I said. They're organic and inorganic. These are basically biologically complete electron, artificial, biological, extraterrestrial, electron swimming organisms living within this